Hi parents, this tutorial is for you on Google Classroom. So you're not going to need to know the full 100% ins and outs of what the Google Classroom is able to do, but these are basically tips and tricks for you to be able to navigate your child's classroom and to verify that your child has actually turned in the assignment they said they finished. Okay, so what you see here, the first thing your child is going to have to do for you is log in to their Google Classroom. What you're seeing before you is a generalization of what their initial dashboard looks like. All the virtual classes that they are enrolled in. Now, mine, I have all the names blurred out for the teachers and whatnot for safety's sake for my own child's school, but you'll get the gist because it works the same way no matter what class you're in. So here we have 8 different classes that my student is enrolled in. If my student is enrolled in more, I can roll down. So I'm going to open up this classroom right here. Okay, so right now this is what Google Classroom calls the stream. This is where they are going to list any announcements for the classroom that the student may need. Up here, you'll see where it says stream. Now here, this is where you're focusing. You're going to want to click here. Now you see here, my student has some dark gray and some light gray things. Now the light gray things are things that my student has clicked turn in on. The dark gray ones are things that my student has not completed or turned in. So that means they have not finished this. They have not turned it in for all intents and purposes. So they will need to go in, complete the work, and click turn in. Now, if say you're looking at the missing assignment list, whatever your missing assignment list looks at for school, but you come into Google Classroom to check, and it's light grade. So I'm going to click on the light gray. Here it says view assignment. I'm going to click on view assignment. You see here it says no work attached, but it says turned in. So that means if no work is attached, or there is an attachment there, but the attachment looks like it's blank, your child did not turn in any actual work, and they will need to go in and do that. All right. Now on this dashboard, I know these are dark gray, but that's just because that's the color the teacher chose. In other Google Classrooms, depending on the theme color that their teacher chose, this may be the not turned in work may be a different color. This is going to be your fastest way to check to see if your child has turned in their work or not. If you have any questions, please place a comment below, and look forward to hearing you.